YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency, and that's exactly what we plan to do, guys. I just gotta let you know too before we get into the video that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J. We just talk about cryptocurrency. Talk about some XRP today. Talk about Bitcoin. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at a 2.6, down 0.12%. And I'm wondering, are we going to head back to that $2 trillion market cap? I do think it's actually possible that we see a retest of that $2 trillion market cap. And that's going to require like $670 billion to get liquidated in the market. I feel like this is going to take time, though. It's not going to happen overnight. As you guys can see, Fear Greed Index coming in at a 24, Bitcoin coming in at an 82, and it's starting to correct down, right? We were wondering if we were going to be able to hold support at 82. Maybe we can get a good, strong market open tomorrow if we do not break down off this 82 range. But if we do break down off this 82 range today, then we're going to be in some pretty big trouble, in my opinion. We'll probably see a likely retest of this 78 range if we can't hold this 82. And it could happen pretty fast, as a matter of fact. If we break down below this neckline, we could pretty much expect to see capitulation similar to what we saw yesterday, right? When we dropped down from 86 all the way to 83, because we didn't have a lot of solid support, right? At that 84 range. And it's the same thing with this 82 range. We just don't have a ton of support here. You know, we have more support down in the 78 to 80 range. So again, maybe we could get lucky and catch something down here. Or if not, guys, yikes, we're going to be headed down, right? We could be headed down as low as maybe 68 to 70. That's the range that I've been telling you guys. And I'm still sticking with that price prediction. I do not think that we go under 68. And some people are thinking that we might see a 58 retest. I don't think that we're going to see a 58 retest. I think 68 will probably be the bottom. But again, that's just my prediction. I do think also, somebody asked me, how long do I think the correction is going to take? I think it's going to take some time, guys. Last time it took some time, right? From all the way from March all the way till August for us to see a recovery last time. So right now, we started seeing our correction really in January, right? We started seeing our correction in January, and already we're in March. And so that kind of tells you, right? I was thinking like maybe like 5-6 months. So I'm thinking like maybe like mid July or like mid June or something like this. We might start seeing this market start turning around, see some positive price impact. But until then, honestly, I do think that we are in a bear trend right now. As you guys can see, we're establishing lower highs, and this is what bears look for. This is like prime swing money right here. Some of these guys love participating in swing trades, and they look for clear signs. This is a clear sign of a bear trend, in my opinion. We lost all signs of comeback when we broke down off of really 86 was really the knife in the coffin, right? We needed to see something here. We did not want to start breaking down. As you guys can see, we started breaking down in a big way. Then we had another retest of this 86, this like 85 range, 84 really. We thought we were going to reclaim that 86. We couldn't do it. We dumped back down. And since then, it's just been like rising wedge after bear flag, after rising wedge after bear flag, and ultimately creating again this wedge that we have been forming. But it could break down, in my opinion, guys. We're probably going to see a breakdown probably within the next couple hours, I would assume. Again, Bitcoin starting to see some of the sell-off right now, and I would assume some of this market also starting to feel the pain, right? You could see some of these coins are starting to bleed just within the last hour because, again, Bitcoin looking like the trend is getting weaker. Very interesting to see. Want to know what you guys think, though? Let me know in the comment section. How are you guys feeling about Bitcoin? Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Or you guys think that Bitcoin needs another retest? I definitely want to know. Let's talk about some XRP, right? Today, we're going to talk about XRP. So let's pull it up. As you guys can see, XRP coming in at $2.12, coming in at number 4 today, right? Dominating the charts, coming in also with 1.4 million people following it over here on CoinMarketCap. I'm bullish on XRP. I do think that if we do see a retest of that $2 range, like I said, we're going to be in trouble because this thing is going to see some major sell action. And it actually is looking that way right now. It's looking pretty nasty, right? This is actually creating like some kind of shoulder hit shoulder here. This is looking like we might see a cheaper XRP this week if, again, we do not pick up in volume, right? We could still create a wedge. That would be our most bullish case scenario, would be a wedge on the 1 year. But there's a lot of indicators that are pointing down right now. And honestly, I go by probabilities, not possibilities on this channel. So and just in trading in general. So if there's more than one thing that are indicating like, hey, this is gonna, see a pump, then I'm like, hey, there's a lot of indicators showing up. Right now, there's not a lot of indicators showing up. There's a lot of indicators showing down, right? We've already created a top here. We've started creating a wedge. We've really been trending sideways ever since really December. We haven't been able to break the $3 mark. We had a couple of retests that were rejections. This is like not hot. This chart is not hot. It's showing actually a lack of demand. Even though we are correlating pretty nicely, we're pumping pretty good on these Bitcoin pumps. It just shows a lack of demand. I'm not saying people don't want to buy XRP. I'm just saying people are not engaged in the market right now. And a lot of what we're seeing is retail selling off, and we're seeing big institutions capitalizing on that. And so I'm just looking for opportunities at cheaper prices on a lot of projects that I'm long on. XRP is one of those projects. Definitely going to be accumulating probably for the next 5-6 months if I can, as much as I can, because again, I feel like XRP is one coin that is going to shock people in 2025. I still think that XRP could still hit that $5-6 mark in 2025, but I do think that maybe it needs to have a retest of maybe like as low as even like $1.30, $1.25 or something like that. And that is going to shake a lot of paper hands. It's going to create a lot of fear. It's going to drive a lot of people out the market if that happens. But like I said, I'll be buying in that range. I think a lot of smart investors buy in those types of ranges when things are starting to cool down. I know a lot of people are very still bullish on this price, but look, we had this big, huge run up, right? And then now, again, we are starting to break down. This thing, the amount of run up that it's had, just understand, guys, that when things go running up like this, sometimes they come correcting down as well. And I think that's what the market's going to expect if XRP hits $2, that we're going to sell down, right? Just not a lot of volume. It's really been lacking. So just something to pay attention to. The all-time chart was looking pretty hot at one point, right? We had this cup and handle, and then now again, it looks like we're selling off. It looks like we've seen a rejection. It doesn't look like we're going to break up. It looks like actually like this chart wants to break down on the 1 year now. So more of these charts looking a little bit bearish on XRP. But again, I'm not bearish on XRP. I'm looking for cheaper prices. I'm taking advantage of the next couple months. Based off these charts, it's kind of telling me that we're going to probably have some time to accumulate. So that's what I'm treating it as. I'm just treating it as an opportunity to accumulate. I want to know what you guys think, though. Do you guys think that this bull cycle's over? Is Crypto J still crazy for talking about crypto? Do you guys think that XRP is going to run up? Do you think that it's not going to drop down? Like, what do you guys think? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm trying to get this video to 100 likes and 100 comments. I can't do it without you guys. Also trying to get to 100,000 subscribers, and I need your help. Hit that subscribe button if you watch this video all the way to the end. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.